Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jam and I am the founder of Buhay Virtual Assistant and Barangay VA Community. I will be starting a new series where I will review different VA agencies, okay, na hindi ko pa masyadong kilala. Of course, given na natin, partner na natin si Kupuna VA, Med VA, Biz VA, we already know them. But now, I just want to get to know more VA agencies para naman, of course, may mai-recommend na ako para sa inyo na mga bago. So, let's call this series ano ba pwede pangalan? Let's call this series VA Agency Review or mag-isip na ng bago. Char. Pero anyways, for today's episode, let's start with Magic. Matagal ko na itong naririnig from friends. I actually have a friend who actually works here as an EA and I wanna get to know who Magic is. So this is their website. Okay, it looks like they're hiring, ayan, executive assistant. So let me see, let's check that. So they're claiming that their executive assistants are super talented, super consistent, super skilled, and connected to Magic 24/7. Ano to? If your assistant is offline and you need work done, message Magic 24/7, one for trained assistants will get the job done and your executive assistant will be in the loop. Magandang service to sa client na parang ang problema ng mga ibang mga clients now is of course pagka hindi available yung VA who will actually do the job. And ngayon, meron silang parang trained people in the agency who will do the job for them in the absence of the VA. This is very, very smart. Maganda siyang, tawag dito, maganda siyang service sa client. It's very attractive, 'di ba? So, let's see. Let's try let's get started. Okay. Ayan. So I wanna be an assistant. Let's see the process mga ami. Gusto ko makita yung qualifications nila eh. Hindi ko alam kung sabi nila beginner friendly to. Ayan. Ito yung tatlong ino-offer nila guys, no? Magic Assistant or Sales, Magic Executive Assistant, okay? And then live chat support. Ayan, so itong tatlo, lahat freelance. So, tingnan natin yung EA kasi alam ko marami sa inyo gusto maging EA. There. Oh, there you go. Here are the application steps, guys. So, dito na tayo. Department, dedicated, freelance, employment type, okay. Location, Philippines, fully remote, $5 an hour. Okay, let's see the other opportunities first bago tayo pumunta doon. Uh, where are the opportunities? Okay, supercharge your productivity. So you have an access to cutting-edge AI solution. So may AI solution platform sila. Permanent work from home, we like that. Of course, the community, Magic's community, work-life balance. Okay. Okay, how about do they have HMO? Do they have 13th month pay? It doesn't say. But let's see their recruitment process. So step one is you create your profile. So take time to complete your profile by providing all required. Okay. Okay, in the application part. After that, may assessment kayo. So ito, Test Gorilla. Best if you use your desktop, sabi nila. So meron silang assessment test. Got it. Oh, at least you know you have an assessment pala. Ayan. And then may language test. Okay. As always. And then book an interview and then get hired. So, okay. Key responsibilities ng EA nila. Managing emails and scheduling or responding to inquiries, scheduling appointments and managing calendars, conducting online research and compiling information, creating and updating spreadsheets, documents, and presentations, social media management, including content creation and scheduling, data entry and database management, making travel arrangements and booking accommodations, assisting with online shopping and ordering products, services, where's that? Providing customer support via phone, email, or chat, organizing and maintaining files and documents in cloud storage, lead generation and prospecting for potential clients or customers, managing and updating customer relationship management system or CRM, assisting in creation and distribution of sales and marketing materials, conducting market research and competitor analysis, assisting in the preparation of sales proposals and presentation, managing and updating sales pipeline and tracking progress, providing support in sales forecasting and reporting, assisting in the coordination of sales meetings and events, conducting sales outreach and cold calling potential clients or customers. So yan ang trabaho mo sa EA under Magic. Ito ang mga qualifications, mga mi, pakalista na yan, no? Or screenshot nyo na excellent English communication skills, both verbal and written. So guys, see, halos lahat na talaga. Actually, lahat na ngayon ng mga virtual assistant agencies requires good English. Not pala good, excellent, no? Has the ability to project a professional tone for over-the-phone interviews. C, capable of building rapport and nurturing relationships with clients. Clear availability and commitment to work schedule without conflicting obligations. So so dito hindi kayo flexi time. US work hours, PH night shift. So strictly graveyard shift tayo. And full-time lang ang hinahanap nila, available to work full-time. And dapat meron kang sarili mong work from home equipment such as laptop or desktop computer that can run web browsing, spreadsheet, and communication software. Ito, mababa yung in fairness processor nila, i3, yung iba kasi i5 eh. Intel i3 or Ryzen 1300 processor or equivalent, 4 gig RAM. Hindi masyadong mataas guys yung qualifications nila. Iba kasi ang minimum 8 gig RAM eh. Stable internet connection, preferably at least 5 Mbps. Headset for video call. So, kailangan dito ng headset. Okay? Benefits. Ayan. Flexibility and freedom, work-life balance, endless opportunities. Ayan, and embrace the pajama style lifestyle. Okay. Pero wala pa rin nakalagay guys kung meron sa 13-month pay, paid time off, HMO. I'm not sure if they have that. But for entry levels, they have a reasonable rate, $5 an hour if they actually accept, alam mo yon, beginners. So if you try to apply, ito yung mga hanapin sa inyo. Personal details such as your first name, last name, email address, phone number, you'll upload the CV. Tingnan natin gaano kadali lang ang kanilang kanilang application form. Okay, where are you located? Ayan. Were you referred? Who referred you? Are you a previous Magic employee? Work availability? I'm not sure kasi nakalagay doon full-time lang. Pero may nakalagay dyan part-time dito. Baka pre-qualifier siya. Kasi nakalagay doon is full-time ang hanap nila. Are you willing to undergo training? Ang alam ko guys, may training si Get Magic. Oo. Alam ko, they source, they train, they match. Ayan. What work from home equipment do you have? Nandito na. Do you have a backup internet connection? So you need a backup internet connection. Halos lahat naman hinahanap yan. Are you comfortable working on the US time zone? Please provide an explanation of your current work setup, highlighting how it's conducive enough. So you're going to describe the work setup. Have you worked as a VA before? Okay. What roles are you interested in? Oh, they have other pala. They have other offerings. EA, bookkeeper. Ito pala guys. Oh, buti ang nandito ang nanonood pa rin kayo. Customer support, cold calling and appointment setting. Where's that? Lead generation, qualifying, digital marketing and social media management, outbound and inbound sales, sales and business development, sales closing, project management, virtual assistants, or general VA, data analytics, reporting and management, and others. Ibig sabihin, meron pa pala silang ibang tawag dito, offerings pala or openings. Please select at least one up to 5. Okay, previous remote work experience. Please select your non-remote or face-to-face work experience. I feel like dito sa Get Magic, It would be nice. I don't know, I can be wrong, ha, please correct me, but it would be nice to have VA experience. But I think since they have this, my assumption lang since they have this in their profile, in their application form, I think kung may relevant skills ka sa face-to-face mo na work, baka pwede nila i-consider here. Kasi may mga ibang VA agencies na talagang ang requirement ay talagang was able to work on a remote setting already or was able to work with other nationalities kasi nga iba naman yung culture talaga. But I feel like since they have training in their process, no, I feel like they are really open to entry level virtual assistants or applicants. That's nice. Highest educational attainment, educational background, share a brief summary of your professional experience and skills. What was your salary at your last job? If you have a portfolio or professional profile, please link it to here and then submit application. Wow. Okay. So that's an easy application form. Actually, it's shorter than the rest of the application forms that I've seen. Ayan, so bongga. I don't know if they require a 1 minute video, but I don't see that in the form. So also, wala din silang specific format for their resume. So if you have your own resume, that's absolutely perfect already. You just upload it there. Wow. Okay, let's see their Facebook page. Oh, ang dami ng followers 53,000 followers. That's a lot. That's a lot. Ayan, may mga opening sila guys. So yung opening sila nasa FB page, yung opening sila. This is giving, oh, 'di ba? On brand, on brand. So, I'm very curious, sino dito ang taga-Magic? Ayan, comment here sa comment section. Or if you are very, very interested to, apply for Magic, comment here. Baka may questions kahit may mga taga-Magic here. Usap kayo dito sa comment section. So yeah, that's Magic. I feel like narinig ko lang ito late last year, but it looks like they're very established already. And I guess wala pa naman akong narinig na bad reviews like out there or verbally or online kasi usually nakakasagap tayo ng marites. Ayan, pero wala pa akong naririnig na bad review about Get Magic. So if you guys are interested, this is not sponsored at all. I'm not paid to do this. Natutuwa lang gumawa, mag-discover ng mga bagong VA agencies dito. And yeah, Get Magic guys. Check it out. It looks like a very promising tawag dito, VA agency, especially to those who are beginners pa lang kasi may training sila. So, I don't know if paid ang training or not, but still there's training, there's opportunities, 'di ba? So, you go for it. Ano ang next natin na re-reviewin na VA agencies, guys? Comment it in the comment section. Like and subscribe if you find this channel very helpful to you. And give me feedback kung paano ko paayusin itong review na to dahil sinotgun ko lang ang sarili ko. Thank you guys and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!